Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in law and finance. It refers to the act of secretly taking money or property entrusted to someone's care for personal use. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as embezzlement, embezzlement, embezzlement. Embezzlement. Embezzlement is crucial in discussions about financial ethics, helping law enforcement and organizations to address fraud and protect assets. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.